Alright, so you can start out with a pre-existing Fusion file that you already have. We're just using a hook from our last year's robot, and then we're going to export that as both an STL and a DXF file. And then you can import the DXF file into whatever drawing program you use. We just like to use Adobe Illustrator. And then our picture that we have here is just the dimensions of our laser. And then we align our DXF file to the corner. And then this drawing that we have will work both for the plasma cutter and the laser. So here we're going to demonstrate how to put the wood into the laser. So you want to just grab your piece of wood that you're using and set it approximately where your print was, wherever it was in your drawing or design app. So ours is going to be in the top left corner, so we're going to place it towards the top left corner and press start. So the first step in plasma cutting is to put our metal where we want it. Then we want to open up our CNC program and plug in our flash drive. After that, we're going to open up our file, our DXF file, into the CNC program. After that, once our program is in there, we want to make sure our toolpath is correct, and we want to set our material to the correct material. We used 14 gauge mild steel in this example. The next step before we actually plasma cut is to bring our tool to where we want it over the metal, where we're going to have our piece cut at. For this, we just use the X and Y and bring it towards us. Once our tool is where we want it, we touch our Z axis and then we press go. So here to 3D print, we're just going to import our STL file into our Markforged program for our 3D printer. And then we're just going to set everything to the correct filament and make sure that it's going to be the right size and in the right spot. And once it loads up here, we'll have the option to look at it in its full view. And that's going to be a preview of basically what it's going to look like when it's done printing. So then we can back out of that and send it to the laser and print it from there.